Sparkles, you want to go back in for a treat? Come on, let's go back in. You want a treat, baby girl? Come on. Let's go treat. Come on. I got a treat for you. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, I'm Angel Nicole. Welcome back to my crazy, insane life. It is Thursday, May 9th at 3:16 p.m. and I think it's about to rain because the wind is starting up really bad and I felt a sprinkle earlier. But we shall see. I'm just enjoying outside before it gets bad because the clouds are not looking too good. But we do have a to-do list today. I'm going to try and get that done, and a lot of it includes editing, so I gotta get on that. But I'm filming a time lapse for this vlog, actually, so let's show you the time lapse. Behind the scenes of the time lapse that I am filming for this vlog, it's actually pretty funny, in my opinion. Good girl, let's get that treat. Go right there. Good girl. This is what I give my dog Sparkles Bill sack since 1947. PB Nanas, soft treats for dogs, peanut butter and banana flavor, and she just absolutely devoured that. Good girl. I don't got no more. But the girl, you're not getting no more. I'm sorry. I thought you. It's 7:53 p.m. right now. We just dropped my dog Sparkles off at my mama's and also had dinner with her and my aunt there, and I had a really good Raffles chicken finger salad with the croissant. But the thing of it is, they did not put the honey mustard dressing with the salad, of course. So I put ranch on my salad, and it was still good. And now Mom is currently inside of Ace getting, I don't know, to be honest, what she's getting. But yeah, and I'm so happy that it is still light out. Look at that, still light out. I love that.